So I'm fitting a battery isolator to the TT because I've had it for a few months already and it goes flat. So I'm going to fit one of these battery isolators to it next. The idea is you connect it to the negative terminal, which is this side. You connect this connector here to the end here, and that bit goes around the battery, and then you can turn the electric on and off. It's not ideal because obviously ECUs go flat and all this lot, but it's better than your battery constantly going flat when you leave it for a few months. Because I don't plan to MOT this until February time, so in the meantime I don't want it to go flat constantly. Also, must invest in a tripod. Note to self, probably a better camera. Disconnect a negative terminal. Like that there. Disconnect that. And right up there. It's quite a simple device. That goes over there, and that goes around the terminal there. So the idea is I'm going to push this through there and attach that onto there because it's only the earth, and then that wire there can sit on there. That's the plan. So I shall push that right through, make sure it's poking to the end, which it is. Yep, right to the end. Good. Make sure it's at an angle where the wire will be happy. Yep, that'll be okay. Just tighten that up on that bolt on the end. Yeah, it's on anyway. Check that's not going to come off. That's tight. Good. Next up, just put this on here. And then tighten that bolt up on the end. Looks bigger than a 10mm. Probably a 13. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, right. That's good. That's tight. That's tight. So now, the idea is, let's just move this cover out of the way. So that's connected, as you can see. Let's return that tap thing. Like that. That has disconnected the battery, so it will no longer go flat. It does mean you've got to manually unlock and lock the doors before, you know, to connect the battery back up, but that's not a problem. Cool, that's it. And I might modify this lid, might drill a hole so I can get to it with this cover on when I screw this cover back into place. Yeah. See that where it goes, where that is. Yeah, up here somewhere, isn't it? About here. I might drill a hole in that lid. Yes.